안녕하세요, Princess Ling 돌아왔습니다. It's actually been a long time since I've recorded a video, but I decided to do one today. Doing a quick review because it says it's easy to do. I have more magnetic eyelashes. These are by Ardell Professional, and this is actually the eyeliner magnet version. Like I've tried the magnetic eyelashes before. You can see, you know, that video up there. This says that it's easy to use, alright? So I'm finna believe it. Now, I'm not actually good at putting on eyeliner, but you know what? We're gonna give it a try today. I'm taking it out the packaging, and this is what comes in it. Obviously the eyelashes, the little eyeliner painter thing, and then the eyeliner. Only 2 instructions apparently. Apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line, and then place, hold on, I'm trying to read it and show y'all. Place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while it's still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. Hey, those kind of look like they could be my eyes. So let me show you how ridiculous this is. So you see, this is a big, huge container. Like, wow, I've got so much. But if you look closer, you see that little bloop there? That's how much they give. Like, you can see my finger going through the bottom and everything. Like, this whole container is just to supply that little tiny piece of whatever there. See, it says the same thing, you know, gel liner. You see, it's a little tiny dish there, like that. I'm just moving it just to make sure there's no weird crumblies. And we're gonna attempt to do some eyeliner. Okay, so I did one eye by myself. Doesn't look too bad, but I guess I'll show y'all. I mean, I was looking down. Oh gosh, so I need to look down. That's the consensus, because my eyelashes are actually in the way. So, and if I mess up, I'm starting over and you won't see that part. Oh gosh, so I'm looking down, all right? This stuff is like really chunky and surprisingly hard to put on. Especially since, you know, I'm already not good at eyeliner, so what am I doing this to myself for? Did both eyes. This one's worse than the other one because, I don't know, I messed up. So this is just 1 coat. It said to apply 2, so let me go do that. Also just realized that it wanted me to put the eyelash on when it was semi-wet, so I'm already failing. I think this eyeliner on this eye is already dry, so we'll attempt. Oh god. Okay, it's sticking to something. I'm not sure what. Whether it's actually my eyelashes or the actual thing, but look, I got it on. Kind of. As you can see, it's still like not blended in. I mean, that looks better, I guess. I mean, yeah, I guess that looks better. I don't know. I can't honestly tell. It just feels like something is on my eyeball. Let's put the other one on. Okay, as much second coat I could get on is on. That looks like it's on. Let me brush them out a little bit, I guess. How did they make these things blend with their own? I just don't understand. It worked. I didn't struggle, and it doesn't look like they're about to fall off at any point. I like these. I think I could perfect these, but now that I have these on, I feel like I should have gotten a bigger eyelash or something. Or maybe, oh, maybe I can curl these? Can I curl these? Here's the convenient eye curler. I don't really use this because my eyelashes are already curled, but let's see. Ah, did that make it? Oh yeah, that did make a difference. Oh, I messed that one up. I put it back on. Apparently the eyelash curler scraped a little bit of the eyeliner, and it just wanted to take the eyelash with it. I mean, I curled it and they look better, but still I would get bigger ones. So I'll have to look into the Ardell Magnetic eyelash line, because hey, this works. 저는 너무 예쁘지? 저는 참 예뻐. 이 비디오 끝났어요. 좋아했으면 라이크하기, 구독해주세요. 다음 시간에 봐요. 안녕히 계세요. Subscribe.